Hey everyone, this is Finance Course Guru. Today I'm going to show you how to use the future value of lump sum formula in Excel. You see a lot of these problems in undergraduate, even graduate textbooks. The future value formula is an important part of the concept of time value of money. It's not that difficult, really, if somebody shows you, and Excel really helps to take a lot of the math out of it. So a lot of these problems will look something like this. Let's say we have a $600 initial investment. That's our present value, right? We're going to earn 4.9% interest per year. The money is going to sit for 1 year. That lets us see that at $600 initial investment or present value, we have 4.9% interest per year, and it's going to sit for 1 year. It will earn $629.40. Now, the one thing we have to be careful of is compounding periods. I use the term year there, which can be a little misleading because if you'll look, you'll see that I actually refer to these as periods. So let's say this same investment has a semi-annual compounding period. We would have to divide 4.9% by 2 and then double our compounding period. So instead of 4.9% compounding once a year, we would now have 2.45% compounding twice a year. You can see that affects the interest, in this case, minimally, but if we were to go out to more compounding periods over a longer term, it can be very impactful. I hope this has been very helpful. I'll give you one last look here at the formula bar and my future value formula or function arguments. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments and I'll answer them right away. Thanks.